Hello everyone, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video we are going to talk about how to fix Modern Warfare 2 or 2.0 is having timed out while signing into online platform error, which is happening for many of the users, and how we can fix this. So let's move to this. So the first time, if you're having this issue, what you have to do is you just have to perform a reboot on a game as well as on a PC. For that, you just have to click over here on this icon if you wanted to do the restart. So go over here on this icon. Now just go for a restart, and after doing a restart, try to play the game and you can see the differences. If it's not the same, you have to reboot the game. That means you have to, not in the sense you have to completely exit the game and you have to reinstall it. So I mean you have to replay it back. For that, just go over here at the top. Now click on the Steam. Now over here go to exit. Once you're done with this, you're completely exited from this game as well as on the Steam. After restart, try to open the Steam once again and launch the game, and you can see the differences. Next one is you need to check the servers. For that, I'll be giving this particular link in the description where you can check the servers, as well as you have to check the activation online servers as well. So over here, as you can see right now, the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 is having outage, as well as Call of Duty Modern 2 is 0.0 is having some of the issues over here. So, and also even for the Steam, you can check over here, as you can see, able to understand from here itself if they're going through any kind of issues and all. So right now you can get all these kind of details. So you have to check the server, as well as you have to check the Activision online servers, so that you'll be able to know. And also keep a habit of following Twitter, the official page of Call of Duty, because all these kind of updates will be mentioned over there if they're going through any kind of server issues, if they're having any error, and answers for these will be mentioned over there. So keep a habit of following all these things. Next one is all about you have to update the COD game. For that, you just have to go over here, and from here, if you're getting any kind of updates, you'll be definitely getting an option to update the game, or else make sure or cross check yourself. Click over here, and you just have to go to properties over here. Go to updates, and over here, as you can see, we have three options. That is, always keep this game updated, only update the game when I launch it, high priority, always auto update this game before others. So you can either set it to this. So in my case, I have set this to always keep this game updated. So what happens is, if anything is running in the background, the game will be up to date, and this is what I have to do. So this is quite important step as well. Next one and the last one is all about we have to verify integrity of game file. For that, you just have to click over here on this. Now right click and go to properties, go to local file, click on verify integrity of game file. So this is going to take a little bit of time. So as you can see, the file is around 66.64 GB, so it's going to take a little bit of time, but this particular step is actually going to work. This will fix any issue related to if any files are corrupted, if any files are missing, and all these kind of issues will be fixed by this particular step, and you can try out with this. So these are the possible workarounds that you have to try when you're having an issue with Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 or 2.0 while signing into online platform error, and how you can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.